This Barricade Cargo Liner in black is for those of you that have a 1997 to 2006 TJ or LJ. This will fit in those LJs as well, that are looking for a cargo liner to help protect that rear cargo space of your Jeep. Of course, in your TJs and your LJs, that space is going to be carpeted if you still have that factory carpeting installed, and that can get dirty and be a little bit more annoying to clean than something like this. This is going to be very easy to remove and hose off, so it's going to help protect that interior. It's also going to change up the look of your interior a little bit, but this is going to be more of a functional piece than anything else. Now, in the world of floor liners, floor mats, there are some that are very expensive. They are very specifically molded to the inside of your vehicle. They're not going to wrinkle up at all. They're going to be made of very high quality materials, all of that stuff, and they can be very, very expensive. This here is still going to be molded to your interior, maybe not as exactly as some of those other ones, but it is going to be less expensive than some of those top tier premium liners on the market. So if you're looking to still save a little bit of money, but get some great functionality, I think this is going to be a very nice balance. This cargo liner is made of a thermoplastic material, and as you can see, it has a chevron pattern molded right into it, and what that's going to do is help anything that you throw on it from sliding around. It's also going to help to capture any dirt and debris that might land on this, keep it from spilling out. Of course, it's also going to have sides all the way around that are raised. Again, that's just to help any messes stay inside the cargo liner. You throw wet or muddy boots on this thing, any of that mess is going to stay right on the cargo liner, so that when you want to, you can lift it up, hose it off, put it back in again, and not have to worry about cleaning your carpet, which is a really nice feature. Now, like you said before, this is going to work in your TJ and in your LJ. If you're putting this in your TJ, you are going to have to do a little bit of trimming for your seat brackets and also for your seat belts. If you're putting in your LJ, there is not going to be any trimming required. So as for the installation, this is a cargo mat, of course, very, very simple to get installed. In your LJ, you just throw it in there. In your TJ, you are gonna have to do a little bit of trimming, but even so, definitely 1 out of 3 wrenches, and probably not more than 15 minutes to get this installed. You can simply flip your seat forward, take a look at where this is going to sit on the brackets, take a very sharp knife, go ahead and make your cuts so that you can open up the area for those seat brackets and the seat belts, set the cargo liner in place, flip your seat back down, and you're done. So like I said, this cargo liner is going to be a great balance of both function and price. This comes in at right around $70, which is going to be about $30 or so less expensive than those premium versions, which is pretty significant when we're talking about a cargo liner. I think this is still going to work really great, looks good, does what it's supposed to do for a very fair price. So if you're looking for a rear cargo liner for your TJ or your LJ, I definitely recommend taking a look at this version from Barricade, and you can find it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.